Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Amazon Fire TV Stick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your network settings, such as your IP address, your DNS settings, or your MAC address on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. So this could be an important step for finding out information about your Amazon Fire TV Stick so that you can set up pass-throughs on your router or change the DNS settings. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do from the home screen is simply scroll all the way to the right until we get to the gear. Once you get to the gear, scroll down using your remote until we get to My Fire TV. Go ahead and select My Fire TV using the center button on your remote control. Once we're in My Fire TV, select the first option, which should be About. And then in About, we're going to scroll down until we get to Network. So now you can see all of your network information, including your SSID, which is your Wi-Fi network name, the IP address within your network. You can also see the DNS that's used for your Firestick TV, and also your Firestick TV's MAC address. All right, so that's how you view the IP, DNS, and network settings for your Firestick TV. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fire TV Stick tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.